Sorry, there was some technical issue, some net issue. So let me repeat my introduction again. I am Charanpreet Kaur, a psychologist and a special educator working at Mondrian House in Dehradun. And my focus to create this page is when I get a lot of difficulties stating parents coming to me and asking, please tell us what is the right way to raise up a child. Is it being too strict? Is it being too soft? Being too protective? What is the right way? This journey of ours will be something which is going to be, crossed together, hand in hand. You are going to suggest me what you want to learn, and what I want to learn from you is my ideology. It is not something I am going to pour in sessions and just tell you what to do. I know it is very difficult. It is easier to say and it is difficult to do. I am myself a mother of a 5-year-old son who is very active, hyperactive, I can say. He has high energy levels. He is one who doesn't stay at one place, difficult to manage. But I still in this 5 year of journey, I've learned a lot. I still remember the day my son was born. I was overwhelmed. I was depressed. Yes, I was depressed because I didn't had an idea that the life is going to change so fast. I mean, I was expecting it in a different way. Or baby is going to come and it will be different. So this parenting sessions, I am going to do it in 12 different parts, and I'll be covering up different things that as parents, all parents do feel, that how to deal with it, how to go about it. So this 12 sessions is going to cover up different things, different behavior patterns, different mood tantrums, everything. It is going to be covered in these 12 sessions. That this is just an introductory session for as of now, and every week I'll be posting one session. You can get back to me. I can leave my number over here if you have any doubt, anything you want to ask about parenting. I am not a perfect parent. I'm still in a learning process, and I still want to share my experiences, what I have gone through. But I've learned one thing. The most important thing I've learned is that when you think that I am a perfect parent, then you're the worst. And when you think I don't know anything, then you're the best. So this journey of exploration has taught me a lot of things. I was very impatient initially when I started off, with Aviraj. I didn't know how to handle his tantrums, and being a psychologist, I don't used to understand why is he behaving like that and what has happened to him. What should I do in a particular situation? Then I slowly started understanding it is not that he is doing something wrong. It is something that I was expecting too much out of him, and that was just because of the social pressure I have faced. कि मेरा बच्चा ऐसा दिखना चाहिए society में. He should be the best. No, that was the notion I felt I was wrong about. So now I have started doing a way like, ठीक है, Aviraj is like this. If someone says your child is very naughty, he is very hyperactive, I say yes, he is, because he wants to explore the environment. I am fine with it. So this journey of our parenting sessions is going to go till 12 weeks, and I hope that I'll get all of your love and support, and we'll learn a lot from each other. Thank you. Stay signed in. I'll post about the first session coming on what date and what time, so that we can have an interaction and a session with all of you. Thank you so much. Take care and stay safe in this lockdown. Bye.